To all the weirdos in California, I'll be moving there within the next 5 years. Who are you? Let's get together. But just don't be weird with like children, because like I have a son. He's autistic and I don't play about him. But if you're weird, like you like ghosts and stuff, like you like weird shit, like I don't know, fucking weird shit. As long as it doesn't involve children, like let's be fucking friends. Like I'm moving to California within 5 years. And I won't know anybody because I'm not from California. I'm from like the countries of the countries of the country. So I won't know anybody. But if you're from Cali, hey girl, hey boy, let's get together. And I'll just keep posting so you know who I am. I'm not fucking lying up here. I don't have nothing to lose. So yeah, let's get together.